Streaming some crypto technicals. Yeah, I can't sing. I can't sing. BTC is so this should be a quick one. What's up, Dinero? Sup. Anyway, so guys, here's Bitcoin. Left is 12 hour, right is 1 hour. Yeah, not looking good, but it's looking better than the other coins. I'll say that. So real quick, look this pump right here. I covered in a video, two videos back, I believe. Missed this initial breakout. Otherwise, I would have traded the breakout of this thing. I did enter a position somewhere in the middle here. Did not take profit because I was waiting for confirmation, and like it got some. Actually, I think I was a little bit closer to the green when I took a position, and I was feeling a little semi bullish at the time, like similar to Benjamin Cohen. He thought we could see several weeks of bullish upside. I was waiting for confirmation. This was a great fake out, by the way, with some whales or institutions, because look at this. We had resistance turned support on this 12 hour. Resistance turned support on this 12 hour. Then also here, then it broke and I got stopped out. So I exited the trade here. But yeah, no, it did, wow, a day and a half basically of testing this resistance. And normally that'd be a signal to go long. Looks like a lot of longs got liquidated right here. But also, here, let me go to the 4 hour. I want to show an example of market structure, or market cycle structure. So basically, accumulation zone, public entry, distribution. And you see this everywhere, right? And so this was a clear sign of this happening. This is what you buy. Everyone else FOMOs in, or there's some breakout. Somebody pushes really long, really hard. It starts going sideways for a little bit. If volume kind of declined here, and then people have entered in the bottom circle, sold the top circle. So we're back down to here. Now look at this, like Bitcoin, it did bounce off this this descending line. A weak bounce, you get a lower high. Then we have a lower low, and we're most likely going to make another lower high. And this is not good. I expect Bitcoin to retest this line again, and then most likely then test this red line. Let me check the comments real quick. So Leon, I did not mint them. I just bought secondary. Bought secondary. My time is yeah, not wasting time grinding. Yeah, I'm not grinding for any wireless. Yeah, so that's Bitcoin. A little even head and shoulders here, a little like rough head and shoulders here. Anyways, this Bitcoin, Ethereum was we covered it. It broke down past this red line, right? Terrible. Now, as Bitcoin broke its green line, Ethereum broke its red line. It got rejected here. It did not break through. As Bitcoin did a fake out. Now it's back down. We didn't establish a lower low, which is good, but what's still bad is this low is really close to this low. So that's still pretty weak on the east side. Get rid of that. A little bounce off the VWAP here. But yeah, this is not looking good. And Solana's looking worse, guys. So, I as it broke up through here, I entered somewhere in here. It did not even get up to here, so took a loss on this, small loss on this. It bounced off of what line? Oh, that of a 38.12. Yeah, 38.12. And this is just this is not looking good. Like even this is the 15-minute, and you got rejected from the VWAP on the volume weighted average price on the VWAP. This is just Solana is so weak right now. It's lost a lot of strength. So when I was watching these charts, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, they were kind of very similar for a while, right? In this range over here. in this range over here, and in this range over here. And lately, since basically late May, it's really kind of started to diverge as Bitcoin dominance has gone up, and altcoins dominance has just gotten destroyed. I'm still super bullish on Solana. Still super bullish on Solana. I still feel we're going lower though. I feel like Solana's going to enter the $20 range. As soon as it enters the $20 range, I'll finally buy back into a long position. As in, I'm not going to day trade it. I'm gonna buy back a long position, but I'm gonna buy like 5%. You know, at like high 20s, or maybe 1% at 520 in the high 20s, and then 5% in the mid 20s, because there's a scenario where it goes under $20, and I want to accumulate heavy for that. The second we get into the $20 range, guys, like whatever I'm doing, I'm gonna be stuck to my screen watching the 15-minute and the hourlies. Yeah. Anyways, okay. So real quick, this is Benjamin Cohen's Into the Cryptoverse premium service. Really, this was worth it for the charts. It's $99 a month, or like $1,000 a year, or something like that. But crypto market cap and trend line. You see, we're broken through the middle line. Most likely heading towards the market cycle bottom, guys. It's going to be this lower green band somewhere. So right now it's you know, the total market cap is 1.2. You know, if we drop right now, it will be 542. Now, obviously, the longer it takes to drop, like March 2023 right here, it'd be 790 billion. So still a long way to go down there. And here, every cycle, guys, look at this. Now, you know, this was the 2011 cycle. It didn't go as deep, but this was still like one of the harshest drops ever. So it was already a massive drop. A little bit more maturity in this market, and we got a more realistic. You know, it penetrated the middle green line on the bottom, and obviously in 2019, here's the bottom for that 2017 cycle. So see, the top was in 2017. December, right? I mean, top of December, January, and then the bottom wasn't even was a year later, and then the 2020. Now this was a COVID cycle. This would have just been a regular like accumulation zone, in my opinion, but the COVID crash kind of like broke the model and we head back down to the bottom trend line. So the COVID crash, and we're not going to count this. It's a way too small of a market back then. But the COVID crash was the only time it actually really hit the bottom line here. So once we get to the middle line is when I'm going to start taking like more action. So the middle line right now, if we were to drop, is right at the 200 week, guys. That's 22K Bitcoin. So my target is still at 22 to 21 to 28K Bitcoin. Maybe a wick down to 18. We don't know. We'll see. And then Bitcoin price coded by risk levels. So again, so one, I'm waiting for this to get lower, Bitcoin hitting the 200 week. Excuse me. And then I'm waiting for the dark blue dot. The dark blue dots, guys. See, so dark blue dots is the range where the most risk is taken off for an entry back into Bitcoin, or you know, basically back into alts too. So we're still like light blue. It's still light blue. So that's why, like, I've only been day trading. I've not been accumulating. I'm not DCAing. If you're a newbie investor, then just DCA. I mean, like, if you just see that Bitcoin's gonna be $1 million one day, guys. It's 29K right now, right? It's like, so it drops another 9K, another 10K, right? In the long term, you're gonna be fine. So that's for the DCAers. Let's go Bitcoin monthly before I end the stream. Oh god, ugh. It's not looking good. So we have 3 monthlies in a row red. Let's see, 3 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 there. Okay, I should use the BLX, but anyways, let me get rid of these little lines here. Oh, that's where I want to look. I want to look at the daily Bitcoin. So daily Bitcoin, real quick, I'm gonna add a couple more indicators here. The NVT and the Mayer multiple. This is how I pick tops, by the way. So yeah, no, it's the mirror multiple is still under 1. Yeah, nothing going. Even the NVT is actually worse. But we'll see when I talk about tops, guys. Look at this. You like clear top signs right here. There's a top here. When the mirror multiple turns orange, that's when you want to take profit. I ignored this. There's a video way back where I covered I should have sold Bitcoin here. I sold every other coin I had at the top. At the top here. The only coin I didn't sell was Bitcoin. So lesson learned for next cycle. When I exit using the mirror multiple, I'm going to exit every coin, not just Bitcoin. I mean, not Bitcoin. Yeah, that was terribly said. Mirror multiple did not target signal this one, but the NVT did. So using the NVT also helps pick tops here. Anyways, yep, guys. So what I'm planning to do is this is not looking good. Let's see what the middle trend line is in this thing. Oops. I should draw a channel through here. Let's see. I mean, this is not the greatest because, 1, 2, only 2 points. Actually, right there. Okay. So let me see if I can do a channel here. Where's the channel tool? Pitchfork, I think. Okay, hold on. That's terrible. Okay, that seems a little more. Obviously, let me pull it down a little bit here. Oh, I need to put this down. Here we go. So, looks like Bitcoin's getting rejected from this middle channel here. Let's see what the green is. These are fib numbers. That's 25. This lower blue is 26 and 27. Hey, I'm gonna keep this on here. Let me just keep this on the daily. I just want to see it on the day, and yeah, that's fine. Let me go to the week again. The yellow line is 100 week. Blue line is the 200 week. That's what I'm waiting on. Red line is a 300 week worst case scenario, which only got hit. It did get hit here in the COVID crash. But it doesn't have enough data to extend that far. Actually, it probably will if I use I think if I use the BLX, the Brave Liquid, it captures all Bitcoin's daily numbers. It will actually touch here. So I'm still looking at the blue line, the 200 week, as my target to re-enter Ethereum and Solana positions. Maybe I'll buy a little bit of Bitcoin. Maybe I'll buy a little bit of Bitcoin then. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at, guys. Let me check the stream for any questions. Yesterday's video, yeah. GM. Listen, guys. Yeah, I'm still bearish. I was listening to the George's. We Are George. That guy, he is so bullish. He thinks this is the bottom. Now, here's the thing. I hope he's right. Because I don't want to see a multi-year or like a 12, 18 month bear market. I don't want to. I just don't think he's going to be right, guys. I think we're getting down to here. I don't think this is the bottom. Maybe the bottom's here, or out here. Hopefully it's not down here. But I mean, actually, no. I take that back. I'm in stable. So if it does get down here, yeah, I'm buying. I might even take out loans and buy here. Anyways, that's as far as I did buy these Akuma dragons, so I did confirm. I saw some people talking about these dragons. I did buy 2 secondary. Oh, it's okay. It's back to the price where I bought it at 0.7. It dropped to 0.4. Now it's back to 0.7. Okay, I shouldn't do this, but I'm gonna see what those horrible goblins are. I saw these at 0.4, guys. I saw these at 0.4. and I passed on it. I passed on these guys. Anyways, all right, guys, thanks for watching. By the way, I am, you can get to this channel, youtube.com/c/Brave Money TV is our channel URL. I got some plans. I have some plans to grow this brand out a little bit. So I'll be working on that in the coming months or so. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Peace.